marriage relationship is a serious relationship between man and woman, and it is a gift of God. And no one could enter in this relationship without the benefit of marriage.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars.
You see, sexual relationship is not actually dirty. It is a holy, clean, and the best gift that God has ever given to mankind.
Never looked back. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine for always.
7 years ago, nakakilala ako ng isang babae hindi ko lubos akalain na balang araw darating kami at aabot sa ganito
We
kalaki.
got
Ang
caught
relasyon na nagkaroon kami nun. Sinubukan man tayo ng tadhana. Handa akong harapin ang
just trying to figure out
mga susunod pa na
what life could
walang
hold.
takot o pangamba.
See, I don't believe in chance. I think it's the choice we make. Oh, and I choose you for the rest of my days. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine. You
Dati,
are all I'd ever
pangarap ko lang na magkaroon ng magandang love story. Pero ngayon, dahil sa'yo naging totoo yun.
I could
At alam natin yun sa sarili natin. Pati na rin sa mga taong malapit sa atin. Hindi man ako kasing perfect ng ibang babae dyan ako kasing ganyan ang buhay nila.
My arms will
Habi ako kasi ako yung pinili mo. Pinili mo na maging katuwang mo sa lahat.
make you mine.
Hanggang sa huli.
I swear to